Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I will come up to show you making of this simple but yet looking stylish designing pattern, and it's been embellished with the sequence work. Mark the neck shape like this, and for this designing I would be using 5 colors of anchor threads: black, green, orange, red and blue. These are the colors, and the sequence of antique color, small size. Following these instructions, you can try this design on your old blouses to turn into new on the neckline creation. So now I'll be showing using the peach color anchor thread, which is of 6 strands. You can use any types of threads, that means embroidering thread, silk thread, any type. Use 6 strands of thread. Here I'll be giving the long French knot with the sequence. Both at a time I'll be stitching. You can clearly see here. Giving the knot and inserting in the center of the sequence. This is how we have to create the flower using the multicolors. These patterns will give a pinch of an ethnic style. You can try these blouses for your pattu sarees or the small borders with the heavy work designer sarees. With this simple classic work, you can try the fashion spin. Sequence work, silver work designings are very much trending right now. So following these simple designs, you can try the fashion updates. So this is how we have to give the joining of the sequence and creating the flower. Now I'll be going with the black color of anchor thread. Next to this green, red, also with the blue all around the shape which I have created. Also you can try this design on your cold shoulders because that will highlight the pattern. See, I have given the stitch with the joining of different colors. And these are Rangoli silver kundans. This is how it looks. Now I'll be sticking in the center of the flower, exactly in the center, applying the glue to stick. With the leftover gaps, I'll be carry forwarding with the beads work. This is to fill in the gaps in between these flowers. This is how we have to give the stitch. Instead of beads, you can also try with the pearls or any color beads. And once completed, the beautifully designed neckline, this is how it looks. Isn't it looking so classy and traditional? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon